Hello, in this video I'm going to cover the 3 experiments that can be done using the swipe analysis application. The first thing you need to do when you open the app is provide your name. So I'm going to just provide my name right away, Daniel. And then you need to select which group are you part of. Each group will determine a different experiment. So let's start with group 1. Group 1 actually show cards, fruit cards like this one with the name of the fruit, apple, the number of days old, 2 days old, and the city where the fruit originated. In this mode, you don't have any sort of swiping enabled. So as much as swipe the card, nothing happens. But you do have 2 buttons down there, like a green one and a red one. So the green, as you click it, will move the card to the right, and it's positive feedback. And the red one will move it to the left. So, and then we can just keep doing this. Let's say I like, oh, this fruit is not good. I don't like it. I don't like this one. I like this one. This one looks good to me. And no, this is not good. This is not good. And then you just keep swiping based on using the buttons there based on the conditions of the fruit. And at some point, we get to the end of the experiment and we get a form. And this form asks us some questions. So the first question is, how hard was to use this interface? Ease, neutral, or hard? Which would you rather use in an app? Horizontal swipe, vertical swipe, or no swipe at all, which is what we just experimented. And then finally, which method is more addictive in your opinion? Horizontal swipe, vertical swipe, or no swipe? Then we select our options. I'm going to just keep the default ones here. I'm going to finish the experiment. And now let's go for the second option here, the second group. So for group 2, it's a little bit different. We don't have the buttons anymore. However, we can swipe left for negative and right for positive. And swiping vertically is disabled. So let's do swipe left. And then we can just do the same swiping process. I'm going to just swipe as I go here. No criteria. And after I finish swiping, I should see the same form popping up. This time, let's say it's neutral, vertical swipe, and vertical swipe. And I can finish the experiment. And I'm going to do the final group here. I'm going to put my name again. My group is number 3. And I'm going to start the experiment. And this time, horizontal swipes are disabled, but I do have vertical swipes enabled. So if I move vertically up, I have a positive feedback. If I move down, it's negative. So let's do this. Let's just keep swiping here. It's important to mention that every swipe is being recorded, the amount of time for each swipe, and also the amount of time for the whole experiment. Finally, I get a form. Let's say I'm going to change my options here. I'm going to do a mix. And I just finished the experiment. And that's pretty much what the app does. All the data is recorded in a file, and then it can be analyzed. Thank you.